How to redeem codes on Brawl Stars. Now, before doing the process, ensure that you're currently running the latest version of Brawl Stars. Just head over directly to your Google Play Store and just search for Brawl Stars, and you should be able to know if your Brawl Stars needs an updating because there's going to be an update button there. Now, just simply access your Brawl Stars application and make sure that you're logged into your account. Now, at the top left portion of your screen, just head directly to the shop. And once you're here, you should be able to see four options below. That's going to be offers, daily freebie, cosmetics, and resources. Now choose on resources and then just slide all the way to the right. And here just choose on content creator boost and just simply enter the code that you have. And that's it. That's how easy and quick you can redeem a certain codes in Brawl Stars.